Sitting in an uncomfortable chair all day can mess with your focus and your back. Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Amazon Basics Mid-Back Chair. Let's kick things off with the Amazon Basics Classic Pure Soft PU Potted Mid-Back Office Desk Chair. This chair caught my attention with its sleek design and the fact that it's priced to fit any budget, especially being under $100. If you want a simple, straightforward chair that gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. Now, this chair features a padded seat with a sturdy metal base supporting up to 275 pounds. The 26-inch depth and 23.75-inch width make it compact enough for smaller spaces while still offering comfort. Plus, it's designed for easy assembly, so you won't spend hours putting it together. It's great for anyone who needs a reliable chair without all the frills. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The easy assembly means you can be up and running in no time, saving you from that frustrating setup experience. Now, some people complained about the armrests feeling a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, for most users who just need basic support while working or browsing, it's not a deal breaker. If you're expecting a chair that feels like a luxury office chair, this isn't it, but for the price, it delivers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, no-nonsense office chair for occasional use. Skip this one if you need something for long hours of sitting or if you prefer sturdier armrests. For the price point, it's a solid choice. Now, if the armrest issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Best Office Ergonomic Office Chair. The Best Office Ergonomic Office Chair, with its adjustable features and breathable back, it caught my eye for its focus on comfort at a budget-friendly price. If you want a chair that promises to support you during those long working hours, this is worth checking out. This chair includes a breathable backrest and lumbar support, which is essential for keeping your posture in check. The adjustable height feature allows you to customize it to your desk setup, and the sponge seat means you'll stay comfortable even during long sessions. With over 5,000 units sold in the past month, clearly people are loving it. Here's why this matters for you. The lumbar support specifically targets lower back pain, which is a common struggle for many who sit for extended periods. However, some reviews mentioned issues with the seat cushion being too soft over time. Here's my take. While this could be a problem for heavier individuals or those who prefer firmer seating, most average users should find it comfortable enough for daily use. This is perfect for you if you want a chair that balances comfort and adjustability without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a firmer seat cushion or if you're very tall, as some have found it less accommodating. For the value it offers, it's a great investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need extra support. Product number 3, Ergonomic Mesh Desk Chair. Coming in at number 3 is the Ergonomic Desk Chair with a high back and adjustable lumbar support. This chair offers a sleek mesh design and flips up armrests, and it's currently priced at $99.99. If you're after comfort for long hours, this should definitely be on your radar. With a high back that provides ample support and a weight capacity of 330 pounds, it's designed for comfort during extended use. The adjustable lumbar support means you can set it to fit your back perfectly, and the flip-up armrests give you the flexibility to tuck it under your desk when you need more space. Here's why this matters. The breathable mesh keeps you cool, which is essential when you're working hard and may start sweating. No one wants to be stuck in a hot chair. Now, on the downside, some users mentioned that the assembly can be tricky. Here's my perspective. While it might take a little patience to get it set up, the comfort and functionality you gain are worth the effort, especially if you're using it for hours on end. This chair is ideal for you if you're looking for something that offers great back support and breathability. Skip this if you're not comfortable with some assembly, or if you prefer a more traditional padded chair. Given its features, it's a solid investment for your home office. Now, if you're looking for something with even more features, the next chair is a fantastic option to consider. Product number 4, the Ergonomic Mesh Office Chair, which offers flip-up arms and a thick seat cushion. I found this one intriguing because of its BIFMA certification, meaning it meets high standards for safety and performance. If you want assurance that your chair is well-built and comfortable, this one's worth a serious look. This chair features a breathable mesh back and a thick seat cushion that provides not only comfort, but also support. The flip-up arms allow you to customize the chair's footprint, making it versatile for different desk setups. The fact that it supports up to 300 pounds is another plus. Here's why this matters. The combination of breathability and support helps prevent discomfort and fatigue, especially during long hours of work. However, some users pointed out that it might be a bit bulky for smaller spaces. Here's the thing. If you have a compact workspace, you might want to think about that. But if you have the room, it's a fantastic option for serious comfort. This chair is perfect for you if comfort and adjustability are your priorities, especially if you work long hours. Skip this one if you have a smaller workspace or if you prefer a minimalist design. For under $100, the value is definitely there. Now, if you're after an even more unique design, you'll want to hear about the final product.
Product number 5, Sweet Crispy Office Computer Chair. We have the Sweet Crispy Office Computer Desk Chair. This chair stands out with its ergonomic high-back design and adjustable headrests, priced similarly to the others. If you want something stylish and functional, this one's definitely worth considering. This chair not only has an adjustable headrest, but also features comfortable lumbar support and flip-up arms. The high-back design is excellent for full back support, and it's designed to keep you comfortable throughout the day. The rolling wheels make it easy to move around your workspace. Here's why this matters. Having a chair that supports your neck and back can significantly improve your productivity and reduce discomfort. However, some users have mentioned that the assembly can be a bit time-consuming. Here's my take. While it may take longer to put together, once it's set up, the comfort it provides makes it worthwhile for those who spend a lot of time sitting. This chair is perfect for you if you want a stylish option that doesn't sacrifice comfort. Skip this if you're looking for something that assembles easily, or if you're not a fan of high-back designs. It's a great value given its features and comfort. Now that we've covered all 5 options, let's wrap things up. So to quickly compare all 5, the Amazon Basics chair is great for those who need a simple option. The Best Office chair offers more adjustability, while the Ergonomic Mesh Desk chair is excellent for long hours of work. The Ergonomic Mesh Office chair provides solid support, and the Sweet Crispy chair is stylish with added comfort features. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Ergonomic Desk chair because of its adjustable lumbar support and overall comfort. Avoid the Amazon Basics chair if you need something more robust and supportive.